feeling insecure, like it just might shatter, and you're still not sure if you really matter. All the wounding words that you hear so often, but the silence hurts, cause you feel forgotten. When the world won't give your heart a home, you may be lonely, but you're not alone. Somebody loves you more than you know, loved you enough to lay his life down. Somebody loves you, and he's not letting go. Everything changes when you find out. Somebody loves you, loves. What if God himself wouldn't live without you? Heaven knows you well, cause he talks about you. Doesn't leave your side when you're less than perfect. And when you ask him why, he just says you're worth it. When it seems like you've been cast aside, don't it feel so good to realize somebody loves you more than you know, loved you enough to lay his life down. Somebody loves you, and he's not letting go. Everything changes when you find out. Somebody loves you, somebody loves. Somebody loves you. Let it be the air your heart can breathe. Let it be the truth your soul believes. Let it wash every lie away. Let its scars tell you